Well, it seems like the investigation and interrogation into the untimely demise of Sushant Singh Rajput has only got more intense. Two senior officials from Yash Raj Films, along with one of India's biggest casting directors, Shanu Sharma, have been summoned by the police. Apart from them, 27 other people have also been called in for questioning to be able to understand what drove Sushant to take this extreme step. Here's the story. After speaking to his family, close friends and rumored girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti, पुलिस अब यश राज फिल्म्स के representatives की तहकीकात कर रहे हैं. Important members of Yash Raj Films like casting director Shanu Sharma have been summoned by the police, who are investigating allegations that a fallout with the production house may have had an adverse impact on the star.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के मामले में अभी तक बांद्रा पुलिस ने 27 लोगों का स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया है. क्यों सुसाइड किया इसके बारे में पुलिस सभी एंगल से जांच कर रही है और जैसे ही जांच में कुछ सामने आएगा तो पुलिस आप सबको जरूर बताएगी.
Shanu Sharma, who has been a long-standing casting director with Yash Raj Films and is credited with spotting talents like Ranveer Singh, Bhumi Pednekar, Vani Kapoor and Arjun Kapoor, was questioned by the police in relation to her working relationship with Sushant and to understand his equation with the production house. Shanu Sharma was the casting director at YRF when Sushant was roped in by the production house and has worked with Sushant on films like Shuddh Desi Romance and Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. In addition to Shanu, the police have also questioned Ashish Singh, the former vice president of production at YRF, and Ashish Patel, also an ex-YRF employee, who were both signatories on the contract Sushant had signed with the production house in 2012. सुनने में आया है कि पुलिस YRF के अलावा दूसरे प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस के एग्जीक्यूटिव्स को भी बातचीत के लिए बुलाएंगे जिनके साथ सुशांत ने काम किया था. While any foul play has been ruled out after a forensic examination, the police are trying to probe if professional rivalry or any other career setbacks could have pushed Sushant into a depressive state and caused him to take this step. Although no note was recovered from Sushant's home, the police have been interrogating close associates of the actor to understand what could have caused him to take such a drastic decision. There have been reports circulating in the media that the late actor was battling depression for some time now, and a fake news report about his psychiatrist having made revelations also created a sensation before the doctor considered clarifying that he had not made anything public.
बहुत सारा सोशल मीडिया में अलग अलग तरीके की खबरें इस केस के बारे में दी जा रही है, लेकिन मैं आप सबको आश्वस्त करता हूं कि मुंबई पुलिस इस केस को, इस सेंसिटिव केस को बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल तरीके से हैंडल कर रही है और आप पुलिस में विश्वास रखिए. जो सच है वो सबके सामने पुलिस लाएगी.
Sushant's heartbreaking death has created a ripple effect with other actors and directors from within the movie business and even artists from the music industry speaking up about problematic practices in the business and how a few powerful people control the fate of actors, singers and music directors. Hopefully, the police investigations will be able to give his grieving fans some answers into his loss.